Hi, welcome again to JView. You have taken Adsense account on this one, an instant approve, no need any extra effort. You just want to direct install inside and approve your AdSense on the website. Okay, so here you can check the admin panel also given by the Google. Okay, so here is you want to check your post, add post, any language. We have multiple language on here. You can edit, get whatever you want, and it's speed up also was good and site also good. Parallax, you can comfortably manage all things on here, just like sitemap. View the sitemap. You can build up recent history, users, settings. You can add the advertisement on here. You can add your AdSense approval things, header, whatever you want, general. You can add on here. You can use your, okay, you can change your according, and you can manage your multiple language on here. You can add to the new translation, and it will be directly on translation on here. Okay, so and here is your tools that you can manage and add and disable, enable whatever you want. You can add from here and manage from here, and this is the full tool list that we have make the more tool inside just power, excel, png, web png, pdf, text to slack, word, privacy, declare, youtube category, image editing category, text analysis tools, online calculator, all or website tracking tools, unit converter. We have the multi unit converter, website management tools. We have money and binary convert tools, QR codes and development tools, other tools. So we have a lot of tools. You can use the location QR. You can go and edit the location QR here. You can add vcard here, vcard tools on here. Okay, so it's directly convert the QR. You can add whatever you here goes QR, and you can manage your QR colors and branding and option. You can manage on all from here. Okay, so if you need this type of script that you want for the AdSense and tools, this one is for you. And in the future, we can add PIN code and IFC code also. Bank IFC codes will be fetched directly, and you can provide more tools to your customer and instant. So you can, we have also money tools on here. You can see the web tools, so it will be working on the same way. You see the IP location, see IP location on here, and if you go to the tools, we can add here just like paper link, md5. We have multiple tools on here, just like 600 tools, and total tools are maybe 1500 tools inside in this one. Image editing also we have. You can edit your image website on here. You can edit, use this just like image editing tools. Okay, so just giving the name and hit enter, it will be created, and after that you can add, you can manage just like that. You can manage, you remove and add just like shapes, text, images, just like I want to add Iron Man on image, so it will be image directly on add here. Okay, it's directly coming on here. Okay, so here is the images. You see, image was come, and so you a lot of image add here. See, you can delete whatever you want, and it will be empty. So you can directly download PNG and JPG. So you can add multiple AI text and overlay whatever you want. You can add images, and if Pixby was support, you can add cat. Then it will be cat was showing on here. You want, then you can add directly just like that. You can search dogs, it will be dogs. If you search moon, then it will be moon. You see the multi images. If you want space, then space was showing here. See here. So you can add more images just like that, and you can work it just like that. Okay, and you just move this image and it will be showing on upper. Okay, so you can add and delete whatever you want. You can just add, delete. Okay, and second thing was we have tools for money tools. So here we build up for the AdSense, and you want to the and you can manage this was. We have a first script in one: web tools, SEO tools, QR tools and designs. SEO tools, QR tools and designs. Okay, it's for AdSense, and you can use just like hex and decimal. It will be showing on here, and it will be directly sample, just like sample. I will just said convert. It will be convert in a hex. Okay, so it's a very fast processing. Okay, we have article rewrite tool also on here. Okay, so I have a chat GPT content, and it will be rewrite directly. Just save and rewrite. See, the title was changed. The role of the President of United States administer in a circumference nation. Okay, so the President of the United General, referred as photos, hold one of the best able to the affected position globally. See, the powerful influence and able to affect position globally as the arc, as the head of the statement, as the arc of occupant of government. So you can use it and you can manage. Thank you for watching, and you can get the AdSense approval directly in a 2 to 3 days.